If your videos are looking blurry after you export them in CapCut, then you may have exported them in 720p or 1080p. In this video, I'll show you how to export them in 4K quality so you get high-resolution, sharp videos that you can share on your socials. So let's start by opening the CapCut app on our mobile phone. I have this video project of a sunset from my recent trip, and let's say I want to export this in 4K on my phone. How do I do that? First, I'm going to tap on this little AI UHD button. For you, it might say 720p or 1080p, but just tap on the button that's right next to the export button. That will open the export settings where we can adjust the resolution, frame rate, and other quality options. Now keep in mind, if you see a small purple diamond icon next to some of these features, that means they are part of CapCut Pro. In order to enable and use those specific options, you would need an active CapCut Pro subscription. In my case, you can see there's a purple diamond icon next to the 2K and 4K resolution options. That means those export resolutions require CapCut Pro. But your screen might look a little different. If you don't see a purple diamond next to 2K or 4K, that means those resolutions are available in your version of the app, and you can use them without needing CapCut Pro. CapCut sometimes changes which features are free depending on updates, region, or device. So it's completely normal if your options don't look exactly the same as mine. Since I already have CapCut Pro activated, I'm going to slide this to the 4K resolution option. I'm also going to enable the AI UHD feature. What AI UHD does is enhance your video using artificial intelligence. It analyzes your footage and improves clarity, sharpness, and detail. Especially if the original video wasn't recorded in very high quality. It can make edges look cleaner and reduce some softness, which helps your final export look more professional. Once everything is set to 4K and AI UHD is enabled, all I need to do is tap Export, and CapCut will start rendering the video in the highest quality available. And that's basically it. That's how you export your videos in 4K inside CapCut. If this helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple CapCut tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.